Very excited to see what these kids are going to bring in front of us, what is happening in their mind, what their creativity is going to bring forth. So I'm very excited to see basically what happens in your mind is what you show in your creativity. So I'm very excited and looking in front to see what's coming in front of us. All the best, rock it. Let's see what you've got.
First of all, I'm breathing वो सबसे बड़ा यूनिक चीज़ है after this long show. 33 designers के साथ I had an opportunity to work. Each one super talented. You agree?
Totally.
Yeah.
Hands down.
और उन्होंने inspiration choose की थी. Some had Kiran Bedi, some had Marilyn Monroe, some had lot of Bollywood. Priyanka Chopra was there. तो उन्होंने बहुत सारी inspiration ली थी and from that inspiration they designed their costumes, which is absolutely bizarre. You know, take an inspiration and make this wow costume. And that's exactly what they did. They did a wow, super job. Well done, guys.
मैं ज़्यादा फैशन कॉन्शियस नहीं हूँ मैं मतलब हमेशा काम की तरफ मेरा ज़्यादा ध्यान होता है. While this is an industry in its own, Nisha brought me here and she put a fab show together. मैंने आज तक इतनी क्रिएटिविटी रैंप पे कभी इकट्ठे देखी नहीं है. And the fact that I can connect to them because I started very early. मैंने 17 साल की उम्र में थिएटर करना शुरू किया, रेडियो जॉकी बन गया. So when I see them, तो वो सेम ही एक लेवल आता है एंड आई गो बैक टू माई डेज. तो मैं अपनी तरह की क्रिएटिविटी याद करता हूँ. वाइल दीज गाइज वर एट पार विद एवरीबडी इन द वर्ल्ड. सो ऑल थैंक्स टू दीज गाइज कि मैं इतना कुछ देख पाया एक्सपीरियंस. वेडिंग गाउन बहुत पसंद आया जबकि मेरी उम्र से काफ़ी दूर है और मेरी एक्चुअल कंडीशन से बहुत दूर है. मैं चाहता हूँ कि काफ़ी काम और करूँ और फिर जाके ये वेडिंग गाउन्स वगैरह देखूँ या पसंद करूँ. बट आई थिंक इट वाज रियली कूल एंड द फैक्ट दैट द किड्स स्टार्टेड इट एंड देन इट वेंट ऑन टू द फुल ब्लॉसम गर्ल. सो दैट वाज अ रियली ग्रेट थिंग.
Favorites को मैंने सबसे काम किया. As a choreographer, I got a chance to work with all of them, and of course my company Niche Entertainments put everything up. I cannot say anybody was my favorite because each of them were unique. जैसे मैंने बताया.
Like choosing from your kids.
Yeah, they're my kids, you know. And I cannot say, but you know, super job. You know, the teachers are done amazing by teaching them from Sapphires to a Star was amazing. 2019 again. And thanks to the team, wonderful team, Hugo for a wonderful hosting, Nikki for hair and makeup, music, Pritpal, everybody together makes a super show. So the team matters, and of course all the teachers, without them nothing is happening.
worked on the inspirational women all over the world, and this is their final assignment, and after that now they will start working. Students have worked very hard. you know, it's a complete design process, you know. It's a long-term assignment, I would say. So it starts from the thought, which they put it into reality. So this is what about the show.
आज का जो शो है त्वस्टार, ये जो यंग डिज़ाइनर्स हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट से बाहर आ रहे हैं, उनकी जो कला है, उस कला का एक टैलेंट हंट था। और इस टैलेंट हंट के माध्यम से अभी डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ टेक्निकल एजुकेशन ऐसे बच्चों को आगे लाना चाहती है कि जो बच्चे यहाँ से निकल के अपनी आइडियाज़ लेके उसको इंकलकेट करेंगे, इंक्यूबेट करेंगे और उसको पेटेंटाइज करके ये आइडिया उसके स्टार्टअप में कन्वर्ट हो। इसलिए हम लोग शासन, महाराष्ट्र शासन और डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ टेक्निकल एजुकेशन ऐसे टैलेंट हंट्स के प्रोग्राम आजकल जगह जगह कर रहे हैं। तो आज का जो त्वस्तार था, इसमें से जो बच्चे आज अच्छे परफॉर्म किए, आई एम वेरी श्योर कि दे विल बी द टुमारो स्टार्टअप्स कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस इंस्टीट्यूट।
I think it was beautiful. I thank the Institute, Sapphires, for having me as their judge tonight. And I think all the students' inspirations, which were based on various inspirational women that they have been inspired by, was beautiful. It was a beautiful subject. And the way that each student had tackled those inspirations in terms of translating them into color, into design, texture, silhouette, was lovely. And I think the awards that were given out today were very well deserved. And I wish the students a brilliant future.
Nice, very beautiful show. There are always difficulties in conducting and making such a big show, but it is very encouraging that our young students have got this opportunity to go into this kind of field, and now they are ready. I hope they are understanding that they are not getting into some easy line, but they are into a very difficult line which is very, very glamorous, but at the same time it's equally hard to get the success.
Well, I've been watching Sophia College for years now, and each year I just love the way the students have progressed. And this time there were 33 collections which we judged, and each one was different, each one was very creative, and it was very difficult for us to make a choice. But we had to, and I think the girls are doing very well. I think they will do really well when they go out into the fashion world, and I wish them really all the best.